After you click Create Assessment, you'll be taken to our Assessment Builder tool. The first step is to add a name to your assessment. We recommend that you name these with some intentionality so that you and other users can keep them organized. For this assessment, we're going to pretend that a 4th grade teacher is checking whether their class remembered things from break. After naming your assessment, click Add Question to add as many questions as you need. In this view, you see some of the most essential things that all questions need. You can change the numbering, including making 1A or 1B if you'd like, but we're going to leave it normal on these. And then there's a short phrase that explains what your question is about. For use across the site, we recommend that you keep these in short phrases that still help you remember what was being assessed. There is a place in the advanced view where the whole text from the question can be used. If you need to reorder questions, you can click and drag them there. Here is where you can set the max points for the score of the question. We'll leave these at 2, but make this one worth 6. Here's where you align the questions with standards. For Forefront's functionality, this is a really important step in making sure that the standards are aligned correctly. When you click, you'll be brought to the standard search, and depending what standard system your school uses, you will use the one that fits. We do recommend, if you're using Common Core or a system where you can look them up, it helps you to look up what you're looking for. And then do make sure that you're attaching at the standards level, not just a cluster or domain. You can align with more than one standard if you want, or more than one standard system. If you add a standard that you don't mean to, you can just exit out over there. And then we'll align our last standard. And as I said, you can attach more than one standard. Now your standards are attached and you can check them here. The last step in the main overview is to set your proficiency alignment. So by clicking on this, you have the options between well below basic to advanced, which your district also can change that language if they would like, but here is the spot to change that proficiency. If it's a pre-created assessment, they may have cut scores or alignments that you use, but if you're setting your own, you need to consider how you want those proficiency scores to register. You can just click and drag to set those. They may not update. If they do, click into the advanced and click out and you'll see that reflected there. That is changing the questions in the main view. If you'd like to learn more about the detailed view, check out the next video.